All right, here's the moment of truth. The new battery is in. Well, I guess I should say what size battery this is. So a lot of you have commented and added your thoughts, and Tesla has given me a 75 kilowatt hour battery pack with no software downgrade. So a big thanks to Tesla in Denver at the service center. They delightfully surprised me. I was expecting a downgrade because when I dropped the car off, they said that that was what they would likely do. So big thanks to everyone at the Littleton Service Center. Thank you for taking good care of my car, and I'm extremely happy. So now I've charged to 100%. And let's take a look at what the 100% mileage, or we'll also do, we got it? Yeah, we can also do a kilometer, but let's see what the total range is on the battery at 100%. All right, so you can see charge to 100% there. And we are going to change this to distance. And we have a 244 miles. Super cool there. And if we convert that to kilometers, let's do that to kilometers for our friends outside of the US, 393 kilometers. So what I had before was 201 miles when I first got the car used, 16,000 miles, and just before the battery was replaced, I was charging 100% at 187 miles. So a very nice upgrade. Super excited about that. So I plugged into the OBD2 port in the last video. We're going to do that with this one and see what this new battery says. All right, so as I showed before, pull this little cubby box down. And I don't think I showed this last time, and I don't even know if you can even see. Okay, so this time it's actually not tucked in, but it is normally tucked in right there. I think you can kind of see it. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in and see what the data shows. Okay, so let's go. Okay, we're gonna go TM Spy.
Ow.
And okay, so it's connecting, and let's see what the battery pack shows. Oh, I've got this one like off the charts. Let's zoom. Okay, so we've got a 5 millivolt difference, which is tons better than the 16 that I had on the old battery pack. So let's zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, so that is, I think, quite a bit better looking than the last battery pack. Look at this one, like way up here to the right. That's kind of crazy. And let's see here. So this says 75 kilowatt hours. So brand new, the 75 kilowatt hour pack has 72 accessible. And we've got, you can see mileage, discharge, charge. Yeah, so you can see here with this new battery pack, and it is a brand new one, at least I think. You can see lifetime discharge and charge. So lifetime discharge 74 kilowatt hours and charge 139 kilowatt hours. So this is looking really, really good. I'm super pleased. What I'll do next is I'll take the car out for a spin and measure the performance, 0 to 60 and horsepower of this in comparison to the 60 kilowatt hour, and just see how much of a bump we actually got in this battery pack. All right, we're gonna give this another try here at 97% charge. Let's see how quick this is. Well, there you have it. I've got a brand new battery, a 75 kilowatt hour battery, more range, more horsepower, better acceleration for zero cost on my part. So Elon, Tesla, and the Denver Service Center, thank you so much. I'm extremely excited, and I promise that I will do a better job at taking care of this battery so that this one lasts a long time and will not run into this issue again. Oh, there's one other thing that I wanted to mention. When I dropped off my Tesla, I had a chance to talk with one of the technicians, and he said that local service centers used to service those batteries, but now they send it off to another location where they refurbish and recycle the batteries. And so it makes sense to me that when there is an imbalance like there was on my battery, my old battery, that Tesla ships out a new one, swaps it out, and sends that old battery to somewhere else to be recycled and refurbished. And while all this battery drama has been going on for me, I crossed over 24 months of ownership in my Tesla. And so the next video that you'll likely see here on this channel is a 24-month cost analysis on what the Tesla has cost me and how much money I've saved in comparison to an equally priced car, like an Audi A6 or A7. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.